What is going on, beautiful people? This is Jonathan Villarino, aka Johnny Trades, aka the person that will teach you how to trade. And today I will bring you a quick forecast for the pairs that I trade personally. So this is a quick update on what has happened on the past week and what is going to potentially happen on this upcoming week, okay? So let's just start with gold real quick. I posted this breakup to the upside in gold. If you are part of my community, you will know that this happened in January the 19th. I posted it, and I think that gold is going to potentially be bullish for the next week, just because it has previously broke this structure to the upside. This move alone can potentially be a winner of 380 pips. I will be on the watch out for this trade just because it looks right. It looks very strong for me. So moving on to GBPJPY, I posted this on my Instagram, just mentioning that the momentum shifted from buyer's market to seller's market. These two trade alongs could have made you 113 pips plus another 145 pips so far since I mentioned this momentum on this market. That could have been a potential of very large trades if you would have seen my post on Instagram, which you can follow me at Johnny Trades on Instagram. I also think that GBPJPY will have a potential to keep going to the downside just because of this break of structure. It has potential to make a quick retest to this zone right here and potentially keep going to the downside. I hope that this is the key zone that GBPJPY might potentially stop. So I think that this trade alone can make us 400 pips. Now, whenever the market opens, you just have to wait and see what happens to this zone, or you can just wait until Monday and potentially see a bigger movement than when the market opens, okay? So going now to GBPUSD, this trade confused me a little bit just because I was looking for buys when this big rejection happened. So I think I traded myself and I got trapped into this market with this fake out. I was very confident that this market was going to continue to the upside, but it ended up faking me out. You know, you don't always win on this type of business, unfortunately, but hey, it was just a learn. I ended up losing at around 20 pips, and right now it's on 88 pips to the downside. So I see this pair going still to the downside, just like GBPJPY. I'm waiting for this retest to happen, and then the market continue to the downside. Hopefully this move alone can make you guys about 230 pips. And last but not least, I was going to talk about USD JPY, but I just don't have time because I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to talk about Bitcoin real quick and what has happened so far. I also entered, I believe it was this trade from this point, which I was already up 200 pips back then, but then yeah, I ended up breaking even. I put my stop loss to break even, and it ended up just taking me out of the trade. And so far Bitcoin has gone to the downside. Now when it comes to cryptocurrency, I don't follow the hype. I don't follow whoever says that this coin is the best one to make money. I just go based on structure, honestly. If you can tell by Bitcoin right now, this was the last time that Bitcoin hit its highest high, and just based in structure, price couldn't even break above 67k. So when I looked at this, I knew that the market was no longer bullish. It just started to go to the downside, and it has been a long drop, okay? Whoever sold Bitcoin or traded Bitcoin at this point is still holding, my man, you are the boss, okay? So for Bitcoin so far is falling. I'm thinking that price will probably stop around this area right here, and it will decide to either go to the downside, break below 30k, or just bounce off 30k and make a bullish market. Now I hope you guys have found this content useful. You can find me on Instagram and see this type of content for free, as well as join my J Trading community chat, which provides more information and I go more into details on trades or forecasts like this. Okay, so this has been Jonathan. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.